Hello, team. Next Friday, May 15th, 2020, would have been the date of the East Region Outdoor Track and Field Meet. That meet this year was to be held at Cushman Field, our home track. Now, that meet is important for a few reasons. Number one, it's our last meet where our entire team is in attendance together. It's also one of our stepping stones for state. And for those athletes that don't make it to the state meet, it's their last attempt to try to hit levels that they were hoping to hit throughout the season. Their last chance of PRing or hitting a certain mark, and also just seeing their improvement throughout the season. Because we weren't able to have that meet this year, and because we have so many talented kids on our team and in our school, we're going to do something different to celebrate that day. On Friday, May 15th at 10:30 a.m. on Zoom, we will have Zoom Idol Track Tunes. Come join the GFC girls track and field athletes, coaches, and anybody that's in your home at that time. Family members, parents, siblings, all are welcome. So what is this Zoom Idol and what can we do at this? There's a place for everybody, just like there's a place for everybody on a track and field team. If you have some musical talent, or even if you don't have some musical talent, feel free to sing a song, play an instrument, dance, or any combination of those three things and beyond. Maybe you have a favorite pump-up song, something that really gets you excited to compete, gets you excited to work out hard, puts you in that aggressive state of mind. You can talk about that song. You can even play the song for everybody. That could be right off your phone. It could be on another speaker. You don't necessarily have to play the song yourself. After all, the people that made the song famous are the ones that play it the best. Maybe you just want to talk about how motivated you have become due to music. Maybe it motivated you in sports, or maybe just life in general. Maybe it reminds you of something happy in your life, or maybe it reminds you of a struggle that you overcame. You can join us just to listen and enjoy. We'll have a sign-up list available soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that. This Friday, we will have our regular Zoom meeting, and in it, we can discuss this event further, so you know some more specifics. This week, stay active. Refer back to the training suggestions that we have given you. Try something new. Try pushing your limits a little bit. But most importantly, stay positive, stay connected, and we'll see you Friday.